Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to bookmark websites in Safari browser. So in order to do that, first open your Safari browser and open the web page or the website you want to bookmark. So after selecting your web page, as you can see this option here, you need to tap here once. And from here, you swipe down, and from here as you can see this add bookmark option, you need to tap once. And as you can see, we are redirected to this screen. And from here, as you can see location, you need to change the location. You can from here you can change the location. I'm going to change it to bookmarks. And also if you want to create this bookmark in a new folder, you can create this on a new folder. But let's in this example, I'm just selecting this bookmarks folder. And from here you can change the name of the page. As you can see, I'm just deleting some of the words as this is too big. All right, after doing everything according to your personal needs, you just just tap the save button, and this page is now added to my bookmark list. So how you can find this now? To find it, you just tap this icon here, and as you can see from here there will be three options. You just need to tap here, and after tapping it here, this as you can see the page will be on this list. And also if you selected the favorite location, this will be if your bookmark location was given in your favorites, it will be in this box. So yeah, that's how you bookmark and find where is your bookmark location.